Need a ride for your Puerto Rican dream vacation? Beep, Beep Jeep has got you covered. Imagine cruising through lush rainforests, exploring pristine beaches, and discovering hidden gems all across Puerto Rico. With Beep Beep Jeep, you get the largest selection of Jeeps, seamless curbside delivery, and unlimited miles to roam free. No hidden fees, no deposits, just pure adventure. From San Juan to the island's most scenic spots, our Jeeps are ready to roll. Families love our all-inclusive pricing, 24/7 roadside assistance, and unlimited tolls. Don't just visit Puerto Rico, experience it with Beep Beep Jeep. Book now at beepjeeper.com or text 939-881-6478. Your island adventure awaits.